Over the years, I've cooked a lot of dishes. I faced success and failures. For all my subscribers, I'm facing my biggest fears. And today, I'm making a dessert. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Leftover Guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed our last Perth Travel Edition video where we did the lobster volcano. Thank you for subscribing. If you guys like our videos, do remember to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. So today we're going to do a special rendition of a very traditional dessert here in Singapore. We're going to make a Japanese melon, a very expensive Japanese melon by the way. Japanese melon ice kacang with a bit of my friends over here, my alcoholic friends. We've got melon liqueur, raspberry liqueur, and we've got hazelnut liqueur. So without further ado, let's start. I can't say cooking, right? Let's start making desserts.
Maybe to forget it.